Alright, we're at Ulica de Benko, the furthest east, southeast station of St. Petersburg. We're gonna check out Vkусная точка, the new Russian McDonald's. Do they have French fries? If they do, I will order and try it out. This is my second tryout. After my last video, I received, well, I saw messages that, hey, everything is bad, the burgers are awful, Russia's running out of fries. Is it so? Maybe, I don't know, but check it out. First floor, let's go check it out. So this is a shopping mall, huge one, and this place is huge. Ulica de Benko, it's one of very, very big centers of St. Petersburg, even though it's really far away. So we're having a mall visit at the same time. This is not typical mall because this is like a Soviet type of mall. At the same time, the first part was like modern, Western type of solution. Here is just like in the old days. Sure, it's modern. And there we have here's Vkусная точка. There it is. We will see. Do they have French fries? Wait. Hey. So, let's check out. We're eating here. Don't check paper out. Okay, at least we know they're out of paper. Alright, here's the order. I'm gonna eat here. I'm gonna have a meal. Let's see if we have that burger meal. Papa Grand Deluxe cheeseburger, double cheeseburger. The price is double cheeseburger is like almost €2. Grand Deluxe, $1.89. Why not double Grand? Oh wow, Papa Grand is what? 2 burgers for €5 since the Alright, I bought a Grand Deluxe burger once again and iced tea. They don't offer automatically the menu, and that's because they don't have fries. So that's true. The fries are out. I don't know for what reasons. They actually offer instead of fries, nuggets and chicken nuggets. I don't know, some chicken butter products. For once, the Western media is correct. They are out of fries. Let's check out the burgers. Looks great. Nothing wrong with it. Oh wow. So that was it. I had a deluxe burger once again. I had a iced tea because they don't have any zero drinks. And they have Coca-Cola Fanta, which is unbranded on the screen, but it is Coca-Cola if you order it. Then there's coffee without any McDonald's branding, but the taste was good. They don't have French fries, that's true. So that's about it. See you guys again in the next video. Bye bye from Ulica Dibenko, the very edge of St. Petersburg in the southeast area.